Hey there, astronomers. Astronomy here. Welcome back to another video, guys. Yeah, guys, this is a really unexpected video, but well, I found the downtown Hamilton Bird Zoo. As you can see, I knew there was a bird zoo here. All right, hey birds. This is so funny. Look, all these birds, they don't have nowhere to go, so they all gotta hang out here in Gore Park. But yeah. And by the way, look, a bus! And another one! Oh my god, this is a unlucky day, it's 2 buses. Oh, a seagull. Oh, I'm getting anxiety. Alright. A lot of birds. Get! Gonna move this birdie out of the way, guys. And another bus right there. How lovely. Yeah, guys. Just having fun at the zoo. This is so funny. Oh my god. Guys, this has nothing to do with my lifestyle series or anything like that. It's just having fun. Waiting for my bus to come. Get. Alright guys, that's all I gotta say today. So, talk to you guys in a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe to Freely Dake 1. Drow is a Diver Spider. Do not forget to fly away.